The Two Cats and a Monkey. Once upon a time, there were two cats. They were good friends. They got a piece of bread. While sharing, they made big and small peace. So they began to fight for the bigger piece. At the same time, a monkey saw them fighting. The monkey said, "I will share it equally." He bit the bigger piece to make it equal. Again, it bit the other bigger piece to make it equal. Bit by bit, he ate the whole bread and went away happily. The poor cats lost the bread. Moral: we must learn to share what we have. Thank you. Please like, share and subscribe.